guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're fishing mostly bladed baits today. I got a buzz bait, Jade's got a chatterbait, and you can actually be watching Jade fish. Got a camera on that tripod right there, so if she gets one, you'll get hers for her perspective. And the bass forecast rating today is a 10, which is what got us really excited. I'm gonna fish right here and I'm gonna work it above this grass line. Chatterbaits are also really good for working baits over grass lines, so. Oh, that one. Yeah. Dude, that blow up though. Nice bass. Oh wow. There he is. I don't know, barely a pound probably. Second ever fish on a buzzbait. Oh, he came off right there. Nice little chunky bass. Look at his tail.
Can I hold him?
Yeah, you wanna hold him? On the buzzbait. Normally when I come out on days like this, like really high rated bass forecast days, I catch nothing. Like I've fished on a 10-day before and I got nothing. There it goes. All right, so I'm gonna be bass fishing and I'm gonna have this angle on Jade so you can watch her bluegill fish while I bass fish.
That one. Nice. Here's my bluegill. Pretty. And I think I'm gonna use him as bait. My bass?
We're not gonna weigh him.
Why?
Yeah, let me get a nice one. All right, let's release him.
Okay.
There he goes.
Oh, I got one. I didn't even know I had one. Oh my god.
You got him. Nice. Boat flipping 8-pounders.
Ah.
There shoots. Nice bass.
Probably about a pound and a half. Pretty good. Do you want to release him?
You can go for it.
No.
You want me to release him? I mean, it's literally your fish. Like. Okay. All right. Here's Jade's bass. Super nice one. Let's let him go. Look at him. Nice one. There he goes. Oh, I have him. Oh, this is a big bass. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's not as big as I thought. Can't reel though because of my drag. I got it. That's a 2-pounder. Look at that guy. Beautiful, probably 2-pounder. Nice bass. I'd say he's a 1.8 pounder.
Am I in the camera?
There he goes. Oh, dude, let him eat it. He doesn't have it fully. Look at my bluegill. My bluegill's off. Look at him right there. Oh, dude, fat bass all day. There he is, nice one.
Seriously, I'm gonna fly.
Nice bass, third one of the day. I don't know, it's so pretty. He's got like the spot on the end like a spotted bass does. Oh. 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 Oh.
Show him the face it.
Is that the one that I caught earlier? Look at his fin.
Yeah, no.
But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye and happy fishing.
Let me see you try. I fucked up this Russell, baby, hustle, but the